Hi, I'm Tracy, and welcome back to another episode of Chat with Tracy. It's been a little while, but I figured it's that time of year when everyone might be going on vacation, traveling, kids are out of school. So what are you going to eat when you're on vacation? Remember, you are on a life-changing course, so you want to make healthy choices all the time, whether you're at home or on vacation. So today we're gonna focus on things that you can take on vacation with you, things that you can eat when you are out at a restaurant, and things that you can eat on the road. So grab your cup of coffee or your tea and join me for this episode of Chat with Tracy. So, what are we going to eat when we're on vacation? Well, it takes planning, of course, in advance. So first we can think about what are we going to pack to take on our trip. And of course, if you're flying, what you can take is different than what you can pack in your car. Each person's going to have their own bag and may not be able to take the same things. I'll share with you what I like to take on vacation with me. And generally, I drive. I don't fly very much. Some go-to things for me, of course, I'm going to start off, everybody should have fruit. We have oranges, bananas, grapes, blueberries, any kind of fruit that you can think of. It's easy to pack and take. It's good to eat in the car. It's great to have there with you on your trip. Another go-to for me is always veggies with hummus. So maybe you don't want to prep a whole thing of hummus before going on your trip. At Costco or Publix or pretty much any grocery store, you can get packs of hummus. I like these big packs, and I get avocado smashed. For the hummus, of course, you can chop up some veggies, take a Ziploc bag, chop up all kinds of bell peppers. Those right there ready to dip in the hummus, ready to go. The avocado you can use as a spread with your pita. You can use it for veggies. It's always great to have on hand. Another thing that you can take with you is oatmeal. I love oatmeal. This one has honey and almonds. Some of them have cranberries or raisins, but you just put the water in it, put it in the microwave, and it's ready to go. You can even put whatever fruit on top that you want. So those are some simple go-to items. Some other snack ideas is always chips and salsa. But what kind of chips do you take? I love this brand. It is called Siete. These are grain-free. But what I love about them is that they're cooked in avocado oil. It's not in vegetable oil or any other kind of oil that we want to stay away from. And of course, you got to have salsa. Salsa is awesome. You can find organic salsa anywhere. You don't have to prep it in advance. Just take some with you. Of course, we also want to include seeds and nuts in our diet all the time. I do love these pumpkin seeds. They're sprouted. I get these from Costco, but you can find them at Publix. I have not seen them at Walmart. Maybe you could leave a comment and let me know if you've seen them at any other store besides Publix or Costco. One other great go-to that I love is banana chips. They are made in coconut oil. I have only found these at Costco. It is just bananas and Himalayan salt. I just love them. They are fantastic. Great for movie night. Great for vacation, great for at home. So those are just some things that you can take with you on vacation. So now we're gonna talk a little about when you get on vacation, you know you're gonna go to restaurants. What are you gonna eat when you go out? You go out to a restaurant. It takes a little bit of planning still when you go out, but technology today makes it wonderful. All you have to do is open up Google and see what's around you, and you can look at the menu right online. You can decide before you get there what you're going to eat. Of course, any restaurant that offers a salad bar is fantastic. Normally have all kinds of veggies, your greens, beans, seeds, nuts, all of that great, wonderful stuff. A great option when you're getting a salad is order a baked potato on the side. So it's a little more filling than just salad. If where you're going doesn't have a salad bar, you may choose to go to an Asian restaurant, maybe Chinese, Japanese, Thai. A lot of the times there you can find steamed vegetable dumplings, spring rolls, you can do a veggie pad thai, you can find brown rice, of course rice noodles that can be steamed or boiled. So there's a lot of really good options that you can choose at an Asian restaurant. What about Italian? There is always pizza, of course. Generally when I get pizza, I like to look for the keto crust. It offers a lot more multi-grain inside the keto crust than just a wheat crust. That's always an option too. With Italian food, it has lots of vegetable choices. So load up your pizza, or maybe you're getting a whole wheat pasta. Whole wheat, you may ask? Yes. So even though it may not be advertised on the menu, a lot of times restaurants will offer whole wheat pasta. Another great food is Mexican food. And one of their go-to foods is beans. Beans and rice, bean burritos, veggie fajitas. All of those are wonderful. When you're gonna get veggie fajitas, instead of getting flour tortillas, try having corn tortillas. Any of those are great options. Maybe you're headed to the beach. Maybe you're headed somewhere where seafood is offered. What can you eat there? Pretty much anything grilled, anything baked. We just were on vacation and had some amazing mahi-mahi. Go for the catch of the day. You know it's wild caught, which is better than farm raised. So go for those options. So when you're traveling to your destination or on your way home, it's always endless in the back seat. Where are we gonna stop? What are we gonna eat? So of course, fast food is gonna happen. What are you gonna eat when you go through a drive-through? Fast food industry has come a long way. A lot of times we can grab oatmeal, toast, salad, maybe a potato with salsa. A lot of restaurants now offer avocado on the side. So those are all great options. Remember, try to stay as whole food as possible. Maybe you're stopping at a sandwich shop. What can you get there? Of course, go for the whole wheat or the whole grain, multi-grain bread. Go for as many veggies as you can fit on it, and go for hummus and mustard. Those are all great things that you can put on your sandwich. The other thing is maybe you're grabbing pizza. Again, go for that keto crust or whole wheat crust and load it with as many vegetable toppings as possible. So remember, when you're going on vacation, you don't have to go off track. Remember, this is not just a diet. You are changing your life. You are eating better for yourself, for your health. So when you make decisions on your food, it should be for all the time, even when you're on vacation. As time goes on, it's going to be easier to find the things on the menu as you do it regularly, out to eat, on the road, on vacation. You'll know the things that you should take with you. So at first it may be hard to make some of these choices, but as you do it regularly, incorporating it in your everyday life, it will get easier. So thank you for joining me today. And if you really enjoyed this video and you found it beneficial, please like it, share it, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time in the Tasty Yet Healthy Kitchen.